Within the blockchain ecosystem, gaming is a very significant and growing portion of the business. Gaming and esports is a really important potential application for blockchain technology. In fact, gaming companies have been creating digital assets for a very long time. So one could argue that blockchain is just a natural step in their evolution. Using blockchain, gamers can create their own virtual characters, profiles, items, or resources for use within the game. This can transform the user experience. In addition, blockchain and tokens give users a new way to monetize as they play games. Players can also buy digital assets to use across games using cryptocurrency. Within the gaming space of the blockchain ecosystem, gambling and prediction markets is another potentially significant application. Blockchain casinos exist that allow anyone to become a member of their casino. Here, the users can potentially share funding of the casino and shares of profits. In fact, some blockchain companies even use oracles or predictors to create what's known as a prediction market about the outcome of an event. A final and very interesting potential application for blockchain in the gaming world is in virtual reality. Virtual reality companies are working to use blockchain to power an economy of tradable digital assets. And blockchain can be leveraged to create holographic avatars for use within the virtual reality game.